If your photos appear blurry in the iPhone Photos app, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by iCloud photo settings or incomplete image downloads. This often happens after transferring photos from another iPhone or when iCloud Photos is optimizing storage on your device. To fix this, open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on Photos. Now look for iCloud Photos. Here you have two options. On my device, this option is not showing because I'm using an older version, but I'll still explain the steps. Just follow them on your screen. The first option is to turn iCloud Photos off completely if you don't want your images syncing through iCloud. But if you want to keep using iCloud Photos, then make sure Download and Keep Originals is selected instead of Optimize iPhone Storage. This allows your iPhone to download the full quality version of your photos instead of low-resolution previews. If your images are still blurry, here's another quick workaround. Go to the Photos app on your iPhone. Open the blurry photo inside the Photos app and tap Edit. Wait a few seconds, then simply tap Cancel without making changes. When you open the editor, iPhone often downloads the full resolution image from iCloud automatically, which can fix blurry or low-quality photos instantly. After that, try viewing or sharing the image again, and it should appear much clearer. If this video helped you fix blurry photos on iPhone, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone and iOS troubleshooting tutorials.